In this video, I will show you how you can install a screen protector on your Samsung Galaxy A37. Now to do that, first of all, just grab a soft cloth and clean the screen of your Samsung phone. Now when you're cleaning the screen of your Samsung phone, just make sure you don't even leave a tiny dust particle, because even a tiny dust particle can create an air pocket beneath the screen protector. Now after you clean the screen of your Samsung phone, now the next step is just grab your screen protector and remove the sticker beneath the screen protector. Now just align the screen protector on the screen of your Samsung phone. Now after you place the screen protector on the screen, now just place your finger in the middle of the screen. Then drag your finger to the bottom and to the top of the screen. If you're finding tiny air pockets at the sides of the screen protector, then just grab your squeegee. Now just place the squeegee on the screen protector and force the air pockets to the side of the screen. Just like that. As you can see, this is how you can apply a screen protector without an air pocket. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.